In this video, I am going to explain the differences between a solid core door and a solid wood door. And I'm just talking about exterior doors. I'll explain the different characteristics and when you would use each type. This is a solid core flush door. Flush meaning it is flat. Solid core means it is solid, but it is not solid wood. They are very sturdy, very heavy, and one of the most commonly used types of doors. Now, just because it is solid core does not mean it is solid wood. The only solid wood is this perimeter. You see it's got about 1 inch of wood on either side of it. The interior is a compressed wood product. It's not particle board. It's like heavy duty particle board, and it has this 1/8 inch thick skin on the outside. And that could be hardboard like that one, or in this case, it's like a plywood. This is called a birch veneer. And these are great if you want to stain something. Very popular in apartments and office buildings. You see these a lot. Now, some viewers have complained, "Oh, Pete, those are just cheap particle board. I could kick it right in." Baloney. These are super strong, super hard, the most commonly used, and they are tough. I just wouldn't recommend using them in areas of high exposure with a lot of rain or snow because they do tend to absorb moisture. These are the most commonly used doors in hallways of apartment buildings, businesses, restaurants. Sometimes these have a top and bottom orientation. See, this one says top. There's really no difference between the top and bottom, but generally your lock is drilled 36 inches from the bottom, and they typically put in some reinforcement around that area for your lock. Some people ask for a flush solid wood door. There is no such thing. Think about it. You'd need a piece of wood that's gigantic, and it would end up warping. So when you order a flush door, you're always getting some type of solid core door. A nice feature about these solid core doors is that you can custom cut them if you need an arched door. I've done it many times. If you want a truly solid wood door, you're going to have to get something that is assembled in some type of panels or laminate fashion. This is the classic 6-panel, the most common solid wood door. Solid wood doors are very durable. You can get them in a variety of styles, and the most common wood is Douglas fir. This is the least expensive door and the most versatile. You can do anything with these. Paint them, stain them, clear coat them. They're going to be the least expensive good door you can get. People ask me about the durability of exterior wood doors. I tell them it's not about the door itself. It's about how well it's protected. Meaning, is it covered by anything? Is there an awning, some sort of overhang? And how well is it finished? Does it have a nice stain on it, or a clear coat, or a paint? And is it examined every few years for wear? If you take those precautions, a wood door can last a lifetime.